Anyway, we got my ring light going on in the background to see. I got the one that kind of filters through all the colors, so we'll see how that looks. It's kind of, I think I have to turn it down for the next video, but I don't need notes for this one. So, we got, a while back, I think around Christmas. I don't remember when I ordered this, to be quite honest. But Fright Rags had another $10 sale. It was on t-shirts. So I picked out, excuse me, a couple new items with Fright Rags with their awesome bags. So we got that. And I also have another package from my Leggings Lady. So let's get to it. Let's do the Fright Rags first. Now I remember what I ordered. Oh, I guess I don't need my knife. I'll put that there before I cut myself. But let's see. First off, we have this brilliant yellow Good Guys Chucky shirt. Got this for $10. I have a different Chucky shirt, but I've gained a lot of weight lately, so I don't think it fits anymore, so I really needed a new Chucky shirt, so we got that. This one I was really excited about, because I thought this one was super cool. Ghostbusters, and look at that. The white and the black looks super vintage. I love it. And I got both these shirts for $10 when they were on sale. Then I also bought, which is hiding in the paper here. Oh, look at that candy. Let's see if this came from Janesville. Nope, that came from Indiana. I also bought this pin. The Last Drive-In. I usually don't do pins, but I've seen a lot of people doing some really creative stuff. Maybe I'll pin it to one of my tarps or something. But yeah, I got that pin. It's like maybe a couple advertisements. It's alive. Oh, film facts. Boris Karloff's thick-soled boots weighed 13 pounds each. Oh my goodness. And then Elvira. So that is it for the Fright Rags. Find somewhere I could put that. I need to put these back in here so I don't get hair all over them before I get to wear them. Because puppy be shedding. Let's see what cool thing I got from my Leggings Lady. It looks like I am going to have to use a knife on this. I don't want to cut the item. So she always sends a free gift, and it's just this little bracelet. But we don't care about the bracelet. Oh, we do, because it's a nice offer, but this is what we came for. This is super awesome. White and blue? What could be white and blue? It is a Jaws. Hopefully, oh yeah, we could see it here. Jaws skater skirt in the the coolest thing ever, and it has pockets. So I can't wait to wear this. Obviously, with being Wisconsin, I am not going to be wearing this anytime soon. But yeah, super stoked to see this. It will go with my other horror skirt, and I also got to find a shirt to match that. But that is what we have for our unboxings today. And I think this multiple, turn was a little bit distracting. But that is what we have. A really cool Jaws skirt and that Chucky and Ghostbusters and the last drive-in pin. So yeah, that is my unboxing today. So like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and see you next time. Bye.